Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to extend your background image in Photoshop. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Now the first step to extend our background in Photoshop is to first crop it. Now let's press Ctrl C on our keyboard to select our crop tool, and as we extend our image, make sure to hold Alt right here. Now let's click on this check mark right here. Now the next step is to go to select and then go to subject. Now this process means that it is selecting our subject, which means the person or the figure in our image. Now this might take a while also. So right after this one, we keep it still and press select again. As you can see, our figure or the person is already selected. Now go to select again, and then let's save our selection. After saving, we're going to name our selection, for example, sample. Then click OK. After we name it, let's deselect or Control D on our keyboard. Press Control D. Right after that, you can go to Edit and then look for Content Aware Scale right here. Now we click this one, and then as you can see, there is a word Protect on top of our screen. Click it rather, and then click on our sample or our selection, which is named sample. And then as we extend our background, let's make sure to hold Alt and Shift while we extend it, just like this one. There you go, and then click this check mark right here. So that is how you extend your background image in Photoshop. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you have learned something from this video.